was Akki Dreams. Today we'll be making tiger number 2, and it's a puppet tiger. For this we need colored sheets or cardstock, thin cardboards, string or yarn, brass fasteners or round-headed fasteners, markers and colored pencils, Sharpie, scale, glue stick, scissor, pencil, eraser, and sharpener. To make this tiger, we need some templates. It'll be given in the description box. This is how the template looks. Using these templates, I have cut out body parts of this tiger. You can use cardstock or a cereal box. Now we're going to stick the body parts onto a yellow piece of paper because we're making a yellow tiger. Now let's do it! I have glued everything except the eyes and the mouth. Don't glue the eyes or the mouth. Remember, it has to be white. Now it's time to cut. We have cut out the body, see? Now it's time to make the facial features. Now it's time to glue the eyes, nose, and mouth. Glue it on a white piece of paper. Now it's time to cut it out. It's time to make some details. Let's draw the eyes. Now it's time to outline and color it. Our eyes are ready. Let's outline and color the nose and the mouth. It's time to make a mustache for our tiger. You can make ones with dots like these ones, or you can make ones with lines like this one we're gonna make. To make the lined mustache, we need Sharpie, paper, and scissors. Let's do this. Let's glue the mustache onto the tiger's face. This is how the nose and mouth looks. Now let's make the ears. We're gonna make the inside of the ear and outline it. For the inner ear, take a blank paper, fold it in half, draw the inner ear, cut it out, and then glue it. Just like these. Now let's attach all the facial features to the tiger's head. Like this. Now let's make the chest of the tiger. Take a white sheet, draw an oval, cut it out, and glue it right here. Just like this. Let's outline the legs and the paws. For the claws, put glue right here, take a blank piece of paper, stick it, and cut it out. It's time to make the stripes. I highlighted everything, including the paws. Let's attach the legs and the paws. Now attach the head to the body. Now it's time to attach the legs to the body, or they might run away. For this, we need to make holes. Here, 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 and here. Similarly, we have to make a hole here in this leg, and in this leg, and all of the legs. To make the holes, I will be using a skewer. You can ask a parent to help. Take a brass fastener and insert it through these holes and the legs. This is how our tiger looks. To make him move, we need to attach strings. Let's do it. For attaching the strings, we need to make holes here, 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 and here. Thread it through the second holes and double knot it. This is the back of our puppet. See these two strings? They should be really tight. This one, it's okay, but it has to be in the center. That's the only way our puppet will move like this. Finally, let's attach its tail. Finally, our tiger puppet is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.